Finally got the old water pump out. And you can see where we're leaking from. Right up in there. So took us a little bit. So we're gonna install the new one. It's your Jaguar F-Type R. While the mechanic taking a water break. This thing ain't no joke.
Okay.
This Ford boy ain't no joke, man.
Now I'm gonna get in there and look at that little piece they gave us. It don't look like it's leaking out of there. It look like the pump itself is leaking.
Yeah, we just gonna, good part, we could just go ahead and replace it. Keep y'all posted.